When we model content, we sometimes find ourselves in a situation where an existing content type could form the basis of a new one. Let's take an example. In our leaf project, we've got a plant content type and a pot content type. Both of these content types represent products. If I wanted to introduce a product content type, a generic product content type, I could use plants or pots to form the basis of our new content type called product. To do this, we open up the content type for editing, head over to the top toolbar, select the Actions menu and click on Copy. That will create an exact copy of the pot content types and it's opened it up for editing. Now, if we were going to make this a generic product content type, we'd want to update its name to product. And we would want to review the fields that are present here to see if they make sense. Well, pop variant doesn't for a generic product, so we'll remove the field. And for this example, I'm going to remove the material field and the colour field. We're left with a product name, a description, some sort of external promotion, the different types of image fields that I'd want for a product, as well as tags. So in a few steps, we've been able to create a new content type from an existing one, ready to create new product content.